Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you are getting ready to build a pole barn, you must have this Makita nibbler.
For our family, this Makita Nibbler made building the pole barn so much easier and so much more enjoyable. It was thoughtfully designed to have a really nice, comfortable grip, which allows you to completely control the nibbler. I really liked how it has a continuous lock switch as well. It makes it really easy when you're cutting a longer piece of metal to be able to lock it into place. This nibbler truly cuts just like butter. I mean, the cut of it is so smooth. You will see a million little tiny moon-shaped scrap pieces when you're all done. And if you're cutting metal, I highly suggest using a magnet to pick them up. We use this to cut not only metal roofing, but also the barn siding itself. Additionally, on some side projects, we used it to cut a variety of different plastic 50-gallon drums, and it cut through it no problem. You can see just how smoothly it goes even over a corrugated edge and cuts the piece right off. This made our job so much easier and really just allowed us to be more efficient too.
But that's just my point of view.